Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at some Majorette Deluxe Collection Jaguars XJSC. So this is the 1990 release of it in blue. Let's take it off the base. So this one, these all have metal bases. Don't know, yeah, 1 to 60 scale it says on the base. It's the V12. So these have authentic wheels or rims, rubber tires, opening doors, lensed headlights, lensed taillights. Got a little license plate also. Separate chrome piece for the bumper and grille. Got even a, I don't know if these door handles are inserts. Yeah, they are. These door handles are inserts, imagine that. The mirror is a separate piece also. Door cards, very detailed. Here in the back, separate pieces for the exhausts. The bumper also. We also get the license plate there. We got the cover for the soft top. Nice chrome strip on the side. And then a nicely detailed interior. Cool. And then in 1991 they released this green one. So the blue one was also still available in 1991. This one was an extra color, so everything is pretty much the same, just a different color. And then in 1992 they released still the same, oops, this door doesn't shut very well, yeah, like that. There is released the same colors, but the interiors were reverse colors. So where there's cream on these would have been brown, and then the seats would have been cream colored. So I still got 2 more to collect of these models if I want to have all of them. To give you an idea, this is the packaging these come in. So here's the bubble that I just opened up. On the back you can see the other cars in the series. This is a 1990 packaging. And I've also got a catalog, small catalog from 1990. So here it shows some of the features these vehicles have. So here's the F40. I did a review on this one too, so you can look that up in my playlist if you want. This was released in March 1990. And then here's the one we just saw. This was also released March 1990. Then we got the Porsche 911 Turbo, also released at that same time. Here's the Lamborghini Countach. This was released in July 1990. Here's the Ferrari Testarossa, also released in July 1990. And then the Rolls-Royce Corniche 2. Also did a review on this one. You can find that also in my Majorette playlist. September 1990 release date. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.